A-Level Maths Paper 3 predicted topic, large data set. For part A, we have to write down how the value of 0 between R and 0.05 is recorded in large data set. So firstly, we're dealing with total rainfall. So if it's a small value for total rainfall, this is called a trace value or TR. So you can say for A that the value is a trace value, and this is also known as TR. So for part B, we have to work out the mean and the standard deviation. So for BI, to work out the mean, our sum R over N, which is 174.9 over 31. This is going to equal to, use our calculator, 5.64 ... So we're going to write down our mean is equal to 5.64. Okay, and then for II, we have to work out the standard deviation. So to work out the standard deviation, what we're going to do is we're going to do our sum R squared, which is 3,523.283 over our N, which is 31, minus our mean squared, which is our 5.64 value, ... squared. I'm going to take the square root of all of this. Okay, so this is going to equal to, so using our calculator, so square root of 3523.283 over 31 minus our answer squared. This is going to give us 9.045 ... So you can say 9.05 as our standard deviation. For our next question, it says for part C, state given a reason whether this provides evidence to support Deanne's belief. So we can see that it's saying that there is less in the south than the north rainfall, and we're looking at leeches, and originally we're looking at Camborne. So for part C, we know from our knowledge that leeches is in the north. Leeches is in the north and Camborne is south. So Camborne is south, and there is no evidence to suggest this because the mean for leeches is smaller than the mean for Camborne. So leeches mean is smaller, so no evidence to suggest this, so no evidence. So what we're going to do now for part D, it says explain why the distribution, this is a binomial distribution, might not be reasonable for the number of days for rain. So we know for rain that rain is not a constant variable, it's going to change every day, but to use binomial distribution it has to be constant. So for part D, what we're going to say is that rain is not constant.